Okay, today I'm meeting the wall plant supplier for site measurement so that they can fabricate my 2 panels of very nice wall plants. For the living room TV console. But before that, since they're not here yet, let me give you a mini tour of what I show you the progress so far. Okay? See, no more darkness already. Now there is, ta-da, lights, 重见光明, and already done up, more or less. See, the living room niche. So this is the platform, storage platform I showed you all that time. And the wall plants will go here. 1, 2. Okay, don't look at the aircon. We're going to paint over it. Is I saw the white sticking out of the black. And here will be where our sofa is. And above our sofa, there'll be a very nice chevron poster. Chevron shape one. Chevron pattern. Kitchen, nothing much. I think Chichi Papa already. 7788. The bottom is not my choice of, it comes with the condo. So cannot yum. And this side, we're done. So kitchen is really quite Chichi Papa already. Clearer view. Okay, so what happens is, why do we have a corner fan here? So that, okay, so we are going to also have one stretch of blinds here, roller blinds, so that they can roll it down for sleepovers. That means like they have guests sleeping over and all that, right? This area can be transformed to become that. So yeah, it's a nice little thought lah by the client. Oh, this is my TV console, which I'll put very nice sexy buttons, knobs here, and there'll be black glass in the middle. And this will be our TV. So imagine the 2 panels of wall plants will be very large and sophisticated. Oh, so sorry, I have amnesia. I say halfway. So there'll be a stretch of roller blind Then this thing, this corner fan, will help to ventilate the air Even if there's no gas, right, it will help to circulate and give it a more cozy, comfy feel cooler So it's a nice touch, and I particularly like this corner fan. Simple yet sleek, very chill. So you all see all this? I have groove lines made in chevron shape as well. So you can see the theme, right? The chevron shape is carried throughout, whether is it on the wall painting or on these panels. And on here, all these drawer panels. The white thing is paint haven't taken out yet. All supposed to be in black, not white. And this is the walkway. Also, I forgot to mention also. I tell you, I forget a lot of things I must mention. Here, right, this black wall, we're going to have a nice, sexy poster as well. Okay, just nice because it's a very big wall and it'll be bare. So it's a nice touch to have a poster there. So guest room, nothing much. Okay, they're just going to put a sofa bed here. Then we will zeng up to look nicer. This is the kids' room. Okay, the carpentry up already, the bed So what we will do is, tomorrow we will decide on the wall shelves position so that there will be nice wall shelves for the kid to put the toys and display items. And I bought the kid a Yoshi stuffed toy. It's being shipped to SG as we speak, so very nice. I think the kid will like my present. Let me turn on the lights. I should just turn on the lights earlier, so cold. So all these are storage that I mentioned before. Okay. Finally, the master bedroom. Fluted panels. And we will have a very huge wall art here that I can't wait to see. It will be very 有性格, and has meaning one to it. Clue, it will have horns, like, you know, goo, the horn, moo. Yeah, this one not removed yet, but there will be the gold part that we can lower down so that it shows more gold. So as you can see, right? Yeah, okay. The standard condo toilet, don't need to see. As you can see, at first we were wondering whether to change out the laminate for the frames. Then, okay, cost is one concern now because the entire house there, all the frames there, it will be 劳命伤财啦. So, I was telling my clients, right, actually, if we have the wall black, when contrast against this light wood, right, or medium tone wood, it will look nice. So, I advise them not to change out lah, save money, and also it looks nice like that ma. So, for our dining table, right, we on purpose, or rather, I proposed to them a few options, right? Then one of it is wood one, which they chose. So it would be nice to have a wood, oblong shaped wood dining table, which will mirror nicely the accents, the wood accents. So I think that's a nice touch. And with this spectacular pendant lamp, I think it's very nice. We were concerned whether it's too big lah, but now looking at it, right, it doesn't look too big. Maybe with the dining table and all, it will look even more balanced. So can't wait to unpack all this. These are the stuff that we ordered. Then finally, remember I was telling you all about the shoe cabinet. Wow, this shoe cabinet big until. So, which is good because it provides extra storage. Because I don't think they have so many pairs of shoes lah to fill up. But the first two panel can be for all the chipalang things, miscellaneous things. See this? I like all these handles. I sourced for them and think they will look very chill against the black. There will be gold knobs as well here, and gold knobs on the TV console. Yeah, so this part nothing much because it's the utility room, but the latch is up. Sweet. Okay. So I was suggesting to my clients because the washer dryer will go in and then it will be wasted space. So if we do a latch, right, we can still zeng up for this place to look nice. Although they'll be doing all the drying of clothes here with the clothes dryer, but doesn't mean a utility room cannot be nice looking. So we can buy things here, zeng, to make it cozy and nice. So that is the plan. Okay, toilet no need to see. Aiyo, so gross all this. I don't know how they use the toilet one eh. Is it a guy thing? So yeah, now it's nicely illuminated. I'm very happy. Because at first I was quite concerned about it looking too dark, but now some more we are waiting for our wall lamps to come. See the wires? Out one. These are for the wall lamps. Oh. And the wall lamps are sexy. They are gold wall lamps. Can't wait. Really can't wait. Wrapping up soon. Yay! But wait until all the things come in we also bought a nice set of sofa that has faux leather elements and gold legs. So it will be very handsome and sexy at the same time. Don't know how to explain to you, but it will be like that, which is what we want to achieve. Nothing too super masculine, but yet it will be nice.